dryer number 4, not working. And this one, dryer number 3, is not working. And this one working, but no belt, galas. Yeah, so it's working, it's running motor, but the drum is not working. So total 3 dryers is not working here. Is that? Dryer number 3, yung problema nito ay yung sensor damage. So yung pagtingin ko sa nandoon yung sensor, tapos yung height meter. Pagtingin ko, nandal yung cover ng filter. So nakita ko, nandal yung sensor wire at sa height meter wire. So ano po, nirepel ko, tapos tawag siya. So sa number 4 na dryer, ang sira dito, so nakita natin sa display, yung display niya ay board check. So check ko sa board, open ko. So tingnan yung fuse pumutok. So siguro ang 5 amperes siya. So pumutok. Siguro may maraming board na nilagay. So yes, so guys, tayo ko na videohan. Dryer, EDC, EDC, so American Dryer Corporation, bago, mas Garabaw, it's a 600,000 series. Yun ang model ng Garabaw washing machine natin. Ito guys, anong dryer? EDC, pagkabok. So natay Garabaw washing machine. So working now, gumagana lahat. So pumunta lang tayo dito dahil tatlong dryer hindi gumagana. So ito yung problema, gumagana yung motor pero hindi tumakbo yung drum. So drum not working, motor running. So the problem is belt problem, belt carbon damage. So ito din yung isa, yung sensor sa ilalim. So pag nilinis nila, during cleaning the filter, natamaan yung sensor. So natanggal. Sensor detached, and this one also, the problem is fuse board here. So tapos na din. So punta tayo sa ibang block. So tayo sa C block. Okay? May isa doon na sa washing machine hindi magana. So puntahan natin. Ayun, out of service. Guys, nag-testing tayo sa machine. So nakikita natin yung alarm ELN. So ano niya sa code, error code. Sabi doon yung water tap, water supply mahina. So naabutan ng timer. Tapos yung isang problema, pangalawang problema, nakita dito yung tangke ng drum, yung napuno ng tubig, yung nagkatog yung water level switch. Dahil natatanggal yung pipe niya connecting sa water level sensor or switch. Sige, slow. tanggalin natin yung
Because
baka
the water is overflowing.
nakita ko yung
So we need
hose
to
na
open this.
para sa water level
We need
sensor.
to check
Natanggal siya.
the
Nakakapit siya, nag-overflow yung
water level
drum niya.
fruit.
So dito banda nito, tanggalin ko yung baka cover na. Nandito yung hose na
tanggal. This one is the here. Ang sama. Pusis. Ito level. Yun. Ito. Ito sa ano. Here. Ito, tanggal. Tanggal to. Ay, muntik na butas. Buti lang, hindi na butas to. Hindi na butas to, mag-leak, mag-overflow lang. Ito sa water level. Okay. So before it's overflowing, so we'll try now. Let's try again. So we'll try now. So already fixed the water level switch because the hose is detached. So before it's overflowing water, the issue is very slow water and the water level switch is detached backside. So now we fix already. So we'll try now. See, so the water level is fully overflow. So let's see. Let's try. Now water stop. Before na stop. Now it's okay. It's on. Stop. Okay. The float switch is not cut off, so the water is always working, always open. The limit always open. So now it's cut off and running before the water is always coming. And here also always open. The limit light. It's okay. After the finish this one. This is the normal one. Okay guys.